MinuteMastery, online learning made easy. Become highly educated in all subjects in a matter of minutes. The American Revolutionary War, American War of Independence. The conflict began in 1775 when American colonists, upset with British taxation and governance, fought for their independence. The initial clash in Massachusetts in 1775 marked the beginning of armed conflict between American colonists and British forces in the war. In 1776, the Continental Congress adopted the Declaration of Independence, asserting the 13 colonies' sovereignty. Independence Day, commonly referred to as the 4th of July, is a U.S. federal holiday celebrating the adoption of the Declaration of Independence on July 4, 1776, which established the United States. The American victory at Saratoga in 1777 convinced France to formally join the war on the American side, and their entry as an ally in 1778 significantly boosted the American cause. The harsh winter between 1777 and 1778 saw American troops endure extreme conditions at Valley Forge, a testament to their determination. In 1781, the British under General Cornwallis surrendered to American and French forces, effectively ending the war. The war concluded in 1783 with the Treaty of Paris, recognizing American independence and establishing new borders. The United States officially became a nation with a federal constitution after the adoption of the U.S. Constitution in 1787, followed by ratification in 1788 and George Washington's inauguration in 1789. Enlightenment ideals of liberty and self-determination strongly influenced the American Revolution, shaping the framers of the U.S. Constitution's emphasis on individual rights and democracy. MinuteMastery, online learning made easy. Become highly educated in all subjects in a matter of minutes.